Welcome to Wine Fact Wednesday. Now, we've spoken on this channel at some length about champagne, but did you know you can also find some great examples of sparkling red wine? There are several quality examples from sparkling Australian Shiraz and Portuguese Baga to Prosciutto and a number of examples from Italy, but my personal favourite is Lambrusco. There was a time not too long ago where most Lambrusco amounted to little more than fizzy Ribena and deservedly carried that reputation. But Lambrusco has undergone a revival, a renaissance if you will. The wines are deep and complex, but also offer a delightful delicacy, born of the effervescence and the crisp acidity. They really are superb all-rounders. Lambrusco is ideal for red wine drinkers that are in search of a summer sparkler, and for champagne and Prosecco lovers that are looking for something with a little more body. And honestly, everyone in between. They're just fantastic wines. Originating from Emilia-Romagna, the home of classic Italian cuisine such as Parmigiano Reggiano, Parma ham and balsamic vinegar, it's no surprise that Lambrusco pairs magnificently with food. Try it with anything from antipasti or fresh summer salads, all the way to lasagna, and thank me later. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to enjoy a glass. Until next time, cheers.